Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use the homepage topic filters on YouTube.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
YouTube has added a new feature that makes it easy for users to see just the type of content they want to watch, and filter out the rest. Watch this video to learn how to use YouTube's new homepage topic filters. To begin, open YouTube from your apps drawer. At the top of your screen, you should see a menu bar with several topic filters. The filters that appear here are based on your previous viewing activity, so they should reflect the topics you are interested in. Scroll sideways to see more filter options. If you tap one of these filters, only videos that fall under the topic category will appear on your home screen, making it easy for you to find suggested videos you are interested in. You can only select one of these filters at a time. If you want to go back to the unfiltered home screen, select All in the filter menu at the top. That's all the things you need to know about YouTube's new homepage topic filters. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.